Please come.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
So you are Sushri Sangita.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of your name?
Sir, Sushri means beautiful and
Speak a bit louder. Feel comfortable.
Okay.
Feel relaxed and comfortable.
sir, the word Sushri means beautiful and I'll read about the word Sangita, definitely, sir.
Yeah. So how do you justify your name?
Sir, beauty in my belief, in my opinion, comes from within.
Yeah.
And I think
Cool down. Don't feel worried.
yes, sir.
Okay. It's all right. Don't feel worried.
I guess,
So
sir.
Sri,
Yes, sir.
there is a saying that the glory of Odisha is the spectacular story of Lord Jagannath culture.
Yes, sir.
How do you justify it?
Sir, Jagannath culture not only embodies only Vaishnavism. In many in our historical books, we have read about Jagannath culture to be connected to Shaivism, Shaktism. So, I'll read about it, sir.
Okay, it's all right. So Sri, I went through your biodata, came to know the fact that you have done your civil engineering from Burla.
Yes, sir.
So you could have become a better engineer.
Yes, sir.
Government of Odisha has spent a huge amount of money for providing you engineering degree.
Yes, sir.
Right now you have changed your mind to become a civil servant.
Yes, sir.
Is not it contributing towards the wastage of the money of the taxpayer, because taxpayer paid money to the government, and out of that money also you got education, and right now you are changing your mind to switch over to administration? Eventually, I personally think it is contributing towards the wastage of the money of the public.
Sir, initially I always dreamt of getting into civil services, but at the same time I had a liking towards technical education, so I joined civil engineering. And from doing civil engineering, I have gained some technical and analysis knowledge that I can use as a civil servant as well.
Okay. What is the contribution of Barrister Madhusudan Das
Yes, sir.
for Odisha?
Sir, Madhusudan Das, he was very closely associated towards the reorganization of Odisha state of the Garjat districts.
Okay, so you are from which district?
Sir, I am from Jajpur.
Jajpur. So, what is the historical significance of Jajpur?
Sir, Jajpur is also known as the Biraja Khetra. It is a Sakti Peeth. And other than that, the Ratnagiri, Lalitgiri and Udaygiri is known as the Diamond Triangle that is famous for Buddhist sites.
Okay, very good, Sushri. There is a popular saying across the country that behind the success of a man, there is role of a woman.
Yes, sir.
That means women are enough capable to bring success to men. Considering this statement, do you think is there any justification of continuation of women's empowerment project in this nation? Because women can bring success to men, while they themselves are having ability to bring success to men. What is the justification of continuation of women's empowerment project in India?
Sir, women empowerment means giving equal access to women for health, education, livelihood and decision making as well. And women should not only be beneficiaries but should have active role in decision making as well. While they have had a role in a secondary, in the backstage role, they have played more of a backstage role for the men, but they need to come up to the front stage. For that, women empowerment is important.
Okay. Why the rate of violence, rate of crime against women is growing in 21st century India? What are the factors responsible for it?
Sir, I'll read about it.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sushri, now you are working as assistant section officer,
Yes.
right? In which department?
Sir, works department.
Can you tell us the hierarchy you have? Like, I think assistant section officer.
Yes, sir.
Then you report to the section officer.
Section officer.
Then what is
Then
that
we
hierarchy?
have desk officer. Then we have under secretary. Then deputy secretary. Then joint secretary. Additional secretary. Special secretary. Then the principal secretary. Principal secretary then addresses to the minister, honorable minister, and finally to the chief minister.
Okay. So principal secretary is equivalent to the chief secretary.
No, sir. Principal secretary is not equivalent to chief secretary rank, sir.
Then what is that hierarchy?
After principal, first comes, we have in our engineering department, we have EIC come secretary, then we have the commissioner come secretary, then principal secretary. After that, principal secretaries also report to ACS, additional chief secretary and chief secretary, then the minister and...
Fine. Suppose someone wants to travel to a hilly area.
Yes, sir.
What are the necessary instrument one must carry?
Sir, since hilly areas, then we should have proper shoes that are appropriate for trekking and that are appropriate for climbing, that is not slippery. We should have clothes that are completely full sleeves in pants and shirts also, because there are mosquitoes and other insect bites occur. We should have a stick to help walk in the hilly terrain. Then we should also have a rain jacket or a weatherproof jacket. And some necessary food items as well.
Okay. As you mentioned about the Biraja Kshetra Shakti Pitra,
Yes, sir.
any example of Boitala Devula in Odisha? Boitala Devula or Khakra Devula, what do you call it?
Sir, I'll read about it.
Okay, fine. You also answered about the Jagannath Dham, Jagannath Puri Dham. There is a controversy with respect to Jagannath Dham that West Bengal is also claiming
Yes, sir.
that Digha Jagannath Mandir is also a Dham.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow another state will start saying the same thing.
Yes, sir.
So how we can protect this Puri Dham is the only Dham among these 4 Dham with respect to the Jagannath culture?
Sir, the Jagannath Dham concept has arisen from the Adi Sankaracharya's concept, where he tried to bring about all the 4 parts of the country, north, east, west and south. Creating a new temple and naming it as a Dham cannot justify their action.
Then how can we protect our own indigenous this Jagannath culture, and only the Puri Dham would be considered as the Jagannath Dham?
So the cultural, I'll read about it, sir.
Fine. Yesterday newspaper, I think you must have read.
Yes, sir.
Government wants to link Anganwadis to the primary schools. What is the main objective behind it?
Sir, I'm taking a guess.
Sure.
For providing proper means to continue the education system starting from very young age and to reduce the school dropouts. I think that is the reason.
Why at the primary school there is high dropouts?
Sir, usually children in such stages are considered as extra hands for livelihoods.
Okay.
So they are employed into.
Do you think at the very beginning of their age, parents send them to the work?
No, sir, not very. They do not send them to work, but they keep them at home because they
Then
cannot.
Can we use dropout is the appropriate word as the primary level or enrollment ratio?
Enrollment ratio, sir.
Then what is the main objective behind the government of linking Anganwadi and this primary schools?
Sir, I'll read about it.
Okay, fine. Thank you, sir.
Sushri,
Yes, sir.
coming from all the way from Jasur, that is one of the Shakti Pita, right?
Yes, sir.
So, Now the present government also focusing on the cultural governance.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of cultural governance?
Sir, preserving the cultural identity, but I'm not sure, sir.
Okay. Being woman in the present day, last few months, as the sir also mentioned that the crime against women in 21st century is also increasing, particularly in Odisha. And there was a report recently, the report called Nari, that published, and some of the cities of Odisha was also ranked within top 5. What was that city and how did they rank the cities?
Sir, I haven't gone through it. I'll go through it.
Okay. Now dowry is also an evil in the society, and the last time we saw it in Greater Noida where that Nikita case,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? So how do you see this? Why this one is prevailing in the society still in a modern era?
Sir, for me, I think it is the patriarch mindset where women are seen only as helping hands in the household.
Okay. Okay. Now, women's safety, I will ask one more question.
Yes, sir.
That the Odisha government has taken some initiatives to prevent such cases in the state recently. What are those steps?
Sir, specifically Odisha government, I may not be able to recall, but center government has taken steps like the one-stop center scheme, the Ujjavala scheme against women trafficking and child trafficking.
Okay. You might have heard about Shakti Shri scheme recently Odisha government launched.
No, sir, I'll read about it.
Para Legal Authority also Odisha government launched.
Okay, sir.
Now you are having geography optional also. Since you are coming from Jajpur, Jajpur also endowed with some used minerals, right? Some of the minerals are only exclusively somehow
Yes,
found
sir.
in Jajpur and none other parts of India. Any those minerals that you could name?
Sir, chromite provides 96% of chromite comes from Jajpur.
Okay. Why that is? Any factors that Jajpur is having chromite?
Sir, no, sir, I'll read about it.
Did you know the Bhomokara dynasty that ruled Jajpur
Yes, sir.
in medieval time,
Yes, sir.
or I would say ancient time?
Yes, sir.
It was about 5th century, 6th century they ruled. Why these Bhomokaras are known, or
Sir,
what they are exactly known in history?
sir, they are generally known for the women-dominated ruling. Many women rulers have ruled the Bhomokara dynasties.
So that was.
Yes, sir.
Now see rainfall in Jammu and Kashmir, cloud burst in Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh. Earlier we have not experienced such kind of landslides and flooding of consecutive flooding the states.
Yes, sir.
This year what exactly went wrong with meteorologically? That Punjab, Haryana, all these Jammu and Kashmir, they are facing so much of landslides, flood. Any specific reason for that as you have learned?
Sir, the floods, landslides are not any single origin they do not have. It's a cumulative effect of many reasons. Some might be like the monsoon along with the western disturbances
Okay.
and cloudbursts that are happening because of the orographic rainfall intensified by the jet streams and the monsoon effect.
As you mentioned cloudburst, what is the definition of cloudburst?
Sir, more than 100 mm rainfall in 1 hour, within 1 hour.
Who gave this definition?